Hi friends, this is Devansh Lakhani from Lakhani Financial Services. I'm making this video for a person who has always thought about starting his or her own business but has never been able to start it, or has never been able to pull the trigger and start doing something for himself or herself. And the reason has been the most common reason of all, that I don't have an experience in business. I've never really worked for myself. I've never really done something for clients. I've never really started a business, or none of them from my family is from a business background. We all are doing a job. Yes, I completely understand. Starting your own business can always be very overwhelming. It can always be very difficult in your head, more so that okay, how am I going to do this? I don't have any support. I don't have any mentor. I don't have any guide. Probably, I lack that capital also to start a business. Now, a business can be as little as a home chef. You are just, making something that you like to cook, and you are delivering to your friends, families to start off with, to your neighbors, etc. That could be the smallest, business that one could think of. And why not to start that also, and why to say that experience is lacking and hence you are not being able to kickstart that business. So I'm going to give you 3 such points from my own business life or business career, that why no experience does not mean that one could not start a business. So let's go for it, guys. So the first point that you should consider to start a business if you're lacking experience is, are you passionate about what you want to do? Ask this question to yourself, maybe not once, twice, thrice, 10 times, 50 times, how many ever times you want to ask. Remove time for yourself and ask yourself this question: are you passionate about what you are thinking that you want to start? If the answer comes every time a yes, then go for it. For example, when I was doing my job in a stock research company, in a equity research company, that is, I was asking myself this question: am I passionate about this? Could I start a business in my name, about the same products or something which I am learning or which I've learned in my job? I didn't have any experience of a business, right? I didn't have any big mentor or support or something like that. But I just asked myself this question: am I passionate about this thing, that I could take it ahead, I could take it, one step at a time, and at least take that first plunge into the business world? The answer was yes every time. And hence we started with this company, Lakhani Financial Services, which we started with equity research, portfolio management, wealth management, investment advisory, which I was very, very passionate about, which I always wanted to, help people out with their financial strategies, with their businesses, with their investment analysis, advise them on their wealth, etc., etc. I was really very passionate about it, and I started, meeting people. I started talking to them. I started networking, getting clients on board, doing all the stuffs. Everything just started falling into place once I, took that first plunge of okay, leaving my job and starting my own firm. So that is the question that you need to ask to yourself every time. Ask for X number of times, whatever you feel. When the answer is yes every goddamn time, you go for it, and forget about what is going to happen to you, right? No one has seen tomorrow. So just go for it, and things will fall into place. And that is my guarantee, that things will fall into place. It can be as small as any business that you want to consider starting out. It could not be anything you need to spend millions on technology, on hiring some best of the people in the in that department in the world. Nothing of those sorts. Just start it out. That's the first one. Consider if you're passionate enough for that, for what you want to start. Before we proceed ahead, would love to have y'all please subscribe to this channel and click on the like button, click on the notification bell, so that y'all always get notified about our videos on businesses and startups immediately. And this would really help our algorithms improve and show to the YouTube that okay, we are increasing our subscribers and the quality of the video. Thank you. The second point when you're starting a business but don't have experience is always remember, do not fear failure. Failure is a part of our life. It's a part of business also, big time. It's a part of business. But when you are taking that plunge into the business life, or into your own business, your own startup, do not fear failure. You know, there would be instances when you would feel demotivated, there would be instances when you would not want to work, there would be instances when your product don't get that review that you had expected out of it, there would be instances when, you know, on social media probably your product would be getting some negative feedback and, you know, negative bombarding of reviews. There would be a time when you would lack that capital to keep on funding in that business. So there would be multiple such times, but the idea is that if you're going to fear that from today, before you have started that business, before you have kick-started anything, then, you know, you're never going to take that first step ahead. That first step is so important, and to take that first step, it is always important to remember that you do not fear failure, because if you start fearing failure, you're going to get into a zone where you probably will never be able to come out of. You know, you'll never be able to clear your head, and you'll never be able to take that first step which you always wanted, and probably 10-15 years down the line you regretted that you never took that plunge. So idea is there would be multiple levels of, you know, setbacks, of failures, of demotivation, etc. in your business career, but the point what I'm trying to make out here is don't fear failure from before starting your business also, because it's just going to happen. If not today, it's going to happen tomorrow, but the way you overcome that is more important. And trust me, in the process of building your business, you will develop that mindset that okay, now you are being able to overcome any kind of situation, challenges that come across to you. So that's the second point, do not fear failure before starting your business. So the third and the last point which I would want to make out here is that you're not being able to start your business because of lack of experience, you know, is it's okay to make a mistake. Guys, this is very important for you to understand, and I'm speaking this from experience again, that one of the reasons that we cite experience as a, you know, reason that we are not being able to start a business is because of a constant thing going in our head that what if I make a mistake? It's fine to make a mistake, right? It's okay. I mean, mistakes are going to happen. Like in my business when I had started, in fact till date, I keep making mistakes. I keep making some jumbles or the other. There is some errors that we make. In fact, not only me, my team, we make some kind of errors again and again. So it's very, very okay to make mistakes, right? Probably in this video that you're watching, there would be a mistake that would come up, but it's fine. Mistakes happen. The point is that the work should be done. The point is that if you believe in something, that should be done. It should be going on and on and on and on like a process, right? You never really attain the goal, right? It's the journey. You need to keep learning. You make mistakes, you learn. You keep make mistakes, you learn. You make mistakes, you learn. So that is highly, highly important for you to understand if you are looking to start a business, that it's okay if you make mistakes, right? There's no problem at all. So we have you know, a 6-month mentoring program also. Whenever you're looking to start a business, we offer this mentoring program to all our startups, you know, with whom we are working at a pre-revenue stage, and they are looking to grow their businesses. I would love to help you guys out, you know. I would love to explore your business and give you that wings to fly with whatever knowledge that I have, with whatever you know, contacts, with the network, with whatever experience that I could bring onto this table. So would love to engage with anyone who is, you know, looking to start out a business and has not been able to yet kickstart it for some reason or the other. Please do reach out to me. I'm available on all the social media platforms. My contact number would be given out here. Email ID would be given. So please do reach out to me freely, and trust me, you know, my team would get back to you, and I would be one-on-one handling with you and, you know, working with you for your business. If you are really, really passionate about it, that you want to kickstart whatever challenges that you are going through, we will overcome it together. But, you know, just reach out to me if you, in case you want to start a business but are not being able to start a business. So guys, if you've really liked this video on why lack of experience does not mean that you should not start a business, then I would request you to click on the like button below. Do like our video, click on the notification bell also. It will always notify you first when our new video comes up. on YouTube. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. It will really help our algorithms improve. If you can do that, would love to have you as our subscriber and our regular viewer for our video. Please continue to shower the love that you have been always. Thank you.